How to run Amazon ads for beginners. Welcome to today's video. In this video I will be showing you how to create Amazon ad campaigns for your low and no content books, and this video is primarily focused on beginners, the publisher that don't have any experience or have very little experience running Amazon ads and want to learn more. So in this video I will be showing you how to create a campaign in auto and manual and finally product ads. So before doing this, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. So let's get started. So before creating campaigns, you need to read some don'ts and do's for Amazon ads. If you are a beginner, then you should consider these don'ts and do's. So first of all, we will be looking at the don'ts. Not run ads if you don't have enough budget. If you don't have budget and you cannot run your ad campaigns for the whole month, then you should not consider running ads. First earn some money and have a budget, and then start running your ad campaigns. The second one is don't run ads for low quality books. Do not run ads for just simple line journals or sketchbooks. They may not work well. Run ads for coloring books, log books, and books with some sort of content in it and you are confident about their quality. Not run ads for low priced books. If your book is priced at $4.99 or $5.99, you may not earn enough royalties and your cost will shoot up. So don't run ads for very low priced books. Only run ads for that is a book that is priced at $6.99 or $7.99. Do not run too many ads in the beginning. If you are totally beginner, then you should not create too many ad campaigns. It may result in losing money on them. So the ad do's are run ads for already selling books. Then create only ad campaigns for the already selling titles and in the marketplace where these books are selling. If your books are selling in the US marketplace, then go to an Amazon advertising for US marketplace and create campaigns for them. And run ads for high quality books only. As I said already, do not run ads for line journals or low quality books. Run ads for coloring books and the log books, planners, the books that have very good quality content. Run ads for books with minimum royalty of $2 per sale. You should run ads for a book that is priced at $6.99 and has 120 pages or 110 pages. It will earn you at least $1.9 or $2. Then in this case you are good to go and you should run ads for that. And if your book is priced at $5.99 or $4.99, you may not earn good royalties and you may start losing money in the very beginning. So run ads for new books to give them initial boost. In combination with the existing already selling books, you can also run ads for fewer selected books that you have recently created, that you are confident about that the quality is very good. Then you should run ads during the first 30 days or first 2 weeks to give them initial boost. Start with low bids only. Start bidding from 20 cents or 30 cents. You can also select 23 cents, 24 cents or 28 cents. So remain within this limit. Start with automatic ads, as automatic ads are very simple and very simple to create and simple to manage. So you should, if you are totally beginner, then you should start with automatic ads only. So considering these do's and don'ts of Amazon ads for beginners, so let's get started with our first campaign. Firstly, we will be creating a ad campaign, automatic ad campaigns. Once you are here in the advertising.amazon.com, this is for US marketplace. To create a campaign, you should click here. Once you click here, you will be presented with this screen, and here you should see 3 types of ads. This is for ebooks only. This is for sponsored brands. This may not be available in UK. I think now it is available in UK as well. So in some marketplace only this option is available, and I always select this one, sponsored products. Once you click on continue, you will be presented with this screen. Here I am for the example purpose, I am creating an ad set for isometric graph paper notebook. So that therefore I have named this I for isometric, graph paper for G, P for graph paper, and N for notebook. Then I name the campaign type, that is automatic ad, so I written automatic. I will not select any portfolio, I don't create portfolios. So next, this is the start date. I always select the end date as the coming month, and you can also select as, for example, I am selecting 31st. So, and the daily budget you can start with $1, but I always select $2. Sometimes I select $1 as well, and it is already selected as automatic. Keep it as it, and just scroll down and select the dynamic bids down only. This option you should select always, so Amazon will not raise or change your bid. If your book is not likely to sell, Amazon will lower your bid. So you always select this dynamic bids. So scroll down and here select standard text only. Then scroll down and leave it as it is. And then scroll down and here you should write your search for your book here. I have searched for isometric graph paper and selected a product. Clicked here on the ad, and the product will be added here like this. Next, scroll down and this is the automatic targeting and set default bid. I always go with the second option, that is set bids by targeting groups. So I always select two options, close match and loose match, and I always turn them off. These are on, I keep them off. So here is the bid. Here you should go for a bid like 20 cent or 23 cent, and here you should go 15 cent or 20 cent. I always go for 20 cents for these books. Sometimes I look at the suggested bid, like this initial suggested bid is 60.62, then I may select 30 or 31, exactly the half of this, and this is 0.44. I may select the exactly half of it, 0.22 or 0.23. So in this way I select my bids. This is for automatic ad campaigns. Here comes in negative targeting. If you have any keyword that you want your ad to not appear for, that you can add here. For example, you don't want to show it for free, so you can write here free and click add keywords, and in this way your negative keyword will be added here. Then just go down and you can either save as draft or click on launch campaign. In this way your automatic campaigns will be launched. So this was the automatic ad campaign. Next comes the manual. Manual means keywords. In manual campaign you will be entering a set of keywords. Always select with very relevant keywords and very fewer keywords. Don't go for thousands and thousands of keywords. Just select 10 to 20 keywords or even 5 to 6 keywords that are very closely related to your book. This can be your title of book, your subtitle, or any very closely related keywords. So this will be manual. I always select manual exact. So once with the manual ad campaign, you should select this one, manual targeting. So campaign name is the same, just the extension is changed for manual. You can also write manual exact or manual phrase. So I leave it here. I'm manual, and then scroll down, check this. This is already checked here. Dynamic bids down only. Standard text already checked, and here is the product. Search your book here. Once you have searched your book here, it will appear here, then just click on add button and your book will be added. Now go down and check this one. It is already checked, and here click on enter list and select only, uncheck this broad phrase and select this only exact. You can also select phrase, but for beginners I always select exact only, and here write your custom bid. Our custom bid should be 20 cents here, and here add your keywords. Like I will like to add the exact same keyword, isometric graph paper notebook. So you can also add these keywords as well, and then click add, and these keywords will be added and your default bid will be added as well. So you can select as many keywords as you want, but start with 5 to 6 keywords only. Like you can add graph paper, and you can also write isometric paper. You can write notebook graph paper. Write graph paper and select the keywords here, like large graph paper. So in this way you can select 5 to 10 keywords, 5 to 6 keywords, as many keywords as you like, but start with lower number of keywords. Once you have selected your keywords, you can here select your negative keywords, and if you have any keyword that you think should not show your book for the keyword, just add it here. Once you have added your negative keywords, just click on the launch campaign and your manual ad campaign will be launched. So next move on to our third campaign, that is isometric graph paper notebook product. Product mean we will be running ads for the other books product page. For example, if we go to Amazon and select any product page, and here we can see other books listed here, that is sponsored. So in this way, or we can see here an ad here that will be a product ad, or you can also name it as ASIN ads. So I always write here not product, I always write here ASINs, and then go to start date and end date. You can write any end date and select manual targeting again, and dynamic bids down only, standard ad, leave it as it is, search your book here, add your book here, and click on the product targeting. In this is the difference only. Previously we selected keyword targeting. In this ASIN ads we will be selecting product targeting only. And once you selected your products, it will may show some categories. Don't run ads for categories, only select individual products, and here you can manually search. There may be some suggested products as based on your ad. You can also click on search metric graph paper and his search, and Amazon will show you a number of products related to your query, and you can start targeting here. We will be targeting as many books as you want, and as many books as many are very related to your book. And once you see here, you can firstly you need to select your bid, that is 20 cents, and here your bid also will be changed here. Select some more books, target target, and you can see here these books are being targeted. If you have any book or in the negative targeting, you can add here. Just add its ASIN or search any book and you can add here. Once you have added your targeting, just click on launch campaign, and in this way you will product ad will be launched, created or launched. So the ads will go into review period, review process. It may take few hours or it may take 24 hours, and once done, your ads will be live in the Amazon marketplace. So this is all about creating ads for beginners. So I have already, as I already mentioned, give attention to these don'ts and do's and start testing your ad campaigns. You should run ads for your books and should run ads for your already selling books. That is all from me today. I hope you will like this video. If so, then give this a thumbs up and also share this video and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.